it comes to facility cleaning, trust isn't given. It has to be earned. We hold multiple industry certifications, including ISSA CIMS with honors. These certifications aren't decorations. They're operating standards our teams follow every single day. Real people, real work, no stock photos. Great results don't happen by accident. They're delivered by great people. Our team brings care, consistency, and pride to their work every single day. Here's what some of our team members have to say.
I like working at Spotless because they truly do invest in my growth and success. By providing access to valuable resources like SHRM, they've allowed me to excel in my professional development and build skills needed to thrive in my role.
I truly enjoy working here because I get to connect with the frontline workers during the hiring and onboarding. That just gives me a chance to improve the overall employee experience and focus on retention as well. Another thing that I really enjoy is how fun the atmosphere here is at the office. I get to plan a lot of the events where the team just gets together and we truly just have a great time, and I've made a bunch of friends while I've been here.
Here at Spotless, I'm at different sites every day, so every day we face new challenges. I enjoy being part of the team and contributing in different ways, from our sales team to our HR department and our customer service team. I truly enjoy working for Spotless.
I started when I was 15, eager to grow not just in my career, but also in understanding how to take care of my well-being. Over time, I've learned that health is essential in being a happy and productive employee. At Spotless, well-being is truly prioritized. The Health Holistic program that they offer has played a big role in helping me stay balanced, build healthier habits, and feel supported both personally and professionally.
I started my journey here at Spotless Cleaning Chicago as a part-time cleaner, and over time was promoted to supervisor, then started working with operations and sales, and now serve as the VP of operations. It's been a path filled with growth both professionally and personally. I faced a lot of challenges, learned so much, and had the opportunity to help others grow along the way.
The reason why I like working at Spotless is because we're not just here working, but we've also grown into a small family that we see each other every day. I also like the free lunches on Friday because that gives us time to catch up.
I love being able to help customers every day and really seeing a difference in their homes and in their businesses. Plus, it's a supportive environment. Everybody looks out for each other, and if you come work here, you will feel that too.
I'm truly grateful to be part of this amazing company. I'm able to use my advanced Excel skills to develop pricing models and tools for our teams to make fast and accurate decisions.
My background is about 20 years as a professional painter. I've been learning about specialty coatings. I am currently launching a drone division, and I enjoy working for Spotless.
There's many reasons why I like being here. However, the most important ones are that Spotless genuinely cares about their team, investing in our professional growth, health, and well-being. Spotless understands that health is wealth, and this allows us to perform our best. We also have an amazing leader who appreciates and values suggestions and feedback from our partners and team members. That's really why I love being here at Spotless.